Yeah, the other night I backed into my wife's car and put a big dent in her bumper. This is just all plastic, and I've never done this before. I'm going to try and heat it up and pop it out. So if I can do it, anybody can do it. So we'll see what happens. She wasn't very happy about this, and when Mama's not happy, no one's happy. The animals aren't happy, the kids aren't happy, I'm not happy. Nobody's happy, so I'm going to see if I can make her a little happier. So we'll see how it goes. The first thing you need is one of these things. It's a heat gun. I got this at Harbor Freight for $15. So you got to heat this area up. Heat up around this area and then in here, and then I'm going to try and stick my hand up in there and see if it'll pop out. So anyway, we'll see what happens. There you go. Popped it out quite nicely. Looks pretty good. Got some little cracks in the paint. Oh, it looks pretty doggone good. I'm pretty pleased. Get a close-up of that. Yeah, as you can see, it looks pretty doggone good. I'm very pleased. And I think that will make her a little bit happier too. And she won't have to drive around with the car with a big old dent. There's see a little bit right there. I might be able to pop that a little bit more. I'm going to work on that right now. And we'll see if I can get that little indentation popped out a little bit. I heat this area up and see if I can't get that to pop out a little bit more so it'll be straighter. Yeah, they got that little spot out too, so instead of taking it to a body shop, when this happens to you, just heat it up and fix it yourself. That came out real good. I'm happy.